You know, it's such an exciting day for Solar Energy World as a company working with our partners here in this Middleburg, Virginia neighborhood built by Habitat for Humanity some 15 years ago. Most of these same homeowners now getting a major upgrade to their home with solar energy.
We started to kind of get a feel for the neighborhood, started looking at satellite photos and realized there are 5 Habitat homes on this block. Let's see if we can't see if the neighbors are interested. And lo and behold, all 5 said, absolutely, this sounds great.
Habitat sent me an email and asked if we'd be interested in being part of the project, and I responded immediately and said yes, we would.
I just think it's amazing. Like I said, for the whole neighborhood to be able to, like I said, we worked hard to build our houses, but for the whole neighborhood to have their houses revitalized and to go green, to go solar, whatever, I think is amazing.
So we're excited to be back out here now, just continuing to partner with these families, keeping homeownership affordable, and we are really grateful for community housing partners and Solar Energy World coming alongside us.
So this is a great opportunity to hear that an entire block of 5 houses in a row wants to go solar. We can help them do that. We're able to coordinate, so it's a great experience for all of the homeowners. It's a great opportunity to show what we've built, what we're capable of, and to give these customers a great experience and help them go solar.
This has been great today. So we don't typically see this. Typically we see maybe one install, you know, in Richmond and one install in Chesapeake and different parts of Virginia. It's more rare that we see Solar Energy World or any of our contractors come up where we're doing 5 houses in a row, which is amazing, and they're going to be all completed by the end of today. So these systems will be on within a month, and then these customers are going to be able to see a huge savings on their bill and of course be part of their carbon footprint.
To be a portion and be a part of this, the solar energy program and the efficiency of that is truly a good thing. It's a blessing that we get to do a little bit, give back a little bit to what planet Earth has given to us.
So like I said, when these guys came, they came with an army and they came to work. So I'm very impressed.
Through the Minions program, they want the customers to reduce their energy usage first before they put on the solar panels. It's been great working with Solar Energy World. I think we've done probably close to 50 projects together. Weatherization, energy efficiency, plus solar. We're gonna continue to do a lot of work together in Virginia.